Welcome to StereoLOGIC. This tutorial will guide you through the process of recording your activities using StereoLOGIC. After setting up your user credentials, you'll receive an email containing your username, password, and a link to the StereoLOGIC recording server. Simply click on the recording link provided in your email to access the StereoLOGIC login page. Enter your username and password. Then click on the Sign In button. Once your credentials are authenticated, the desktop agent file will automatically start downloading. You can track the download progress, typically displayed in the top right corner of your browser. If you're not able to continue with the process for any reason, you can do an emergency exit by opening the drop-down menu and click the emergency exit link. This action will return you to the login page. After the file is successfully downloaded, locate it in your download folder and launch the agent file. If your downloaded file link expires, follow the on-screen tips to download a new one. Click on the Run button in the dialog box and wait for the file extraction to complete. Once extraction is done, the desktop agent will appear in the top left corner of your desktop. To begin recording, click on the Record button. It will change from gray to red, indicating that recording is in progress. You can now freely navigate through your work applications. You can even close the browser, displaying the StereoLOGIC welcome page, as it will not affect the desktop agent. Whether you have multiple monitors or use VDI or remote desktop connections, the agent can capture screens from all sources during recording. Rest assured, any passwords used during the recording will be masked for your privacy and will not be visible to anyone reviewing the recorded screens. If you need to carry out non-work-related activities like checking your bank account or accessing social media, it's recommended to stop the recording by clicking the Record button until it turns gray. Then carry out all your personal activities. Once you're ready to resume recording, simply click the Record button again. Continue to carry out your process-related activities until the end of your shift. At the end of your shift, stop the recording by clicking the Record button once more. Then click on the X button to close the recording agent. You'll receive a warning message, Confirm, by clicking Yes to end your recording session. The desktop agent will disappear and your recorded data will be automatically saved. Remember to close the recording agent at the end of each shift. Repeat these steps daily throughout the project duration to record your activities effectively.